Where's your indicator, you prick? I don't like the look of those clouds. That was my brother, which I did not see. I just seen the lights flash and then I realized it's him. So yeah. The weather conditions are deteriorating. Feels like one of those days where you're gonna see thunder, lightning, even though there's a rainbow there. Yeah, it's rain's really picking up now. Have your lights on, for fuck's sake. Whoa, you dick. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful outside today. Fuck this. Are you kidding me? Are you absolutely kidding me? I hope you are seeing this. How pissy this weather is. Basically no back brake. People must think I'm insane in the membrane. I'm drenched already, as in my coat, right through. That's so much for being waterproof. Fuck me, like seriously. He's still standing there. Yes, no rain. No rain. No rain. Rain. This is absolutely horrible. And it's only a wee patch of cloud, like seriously, I'm gonna get soaked for no reason. Just fuck that. My shoes are getting soaked. That's why I wear boots. Don't want to have wet feet, especially when I have to work all night. Not good choice of footwear. Euro. I can feel like water running down beside my balls. Not pleasant, must say. Okay, move on, people, move on. Seriously, I don't want to have to put my foot down. Yes. Success. I really do not see much through this helmet, and I do not know how my coat will dry. Well, hopefully it dries in like the 7 hours that I'm gonna be working. It has to be like this, like you call the summer. When I met you in the summer, if your heartbeat sound, we fell in love. Once the leaves turned brown, you better fucking watch that and hear you, bitch. And we could be together, baby. He's got a passenger in the back with him. That's even worse, I think, than what I got right now. I do not see the stop of this rain. I might as well just speed the fuck up. My shoes are already soaking. I was gonna go too close to that car because I'm gonna need so much space to slow down or stop if I, like, you know, get real close to him. He's got the advantage. He'll slow down way quicker than me, and me, I'm just gonna go right in him. Oh, it's so horrible. I can feel like the water drenching through my coat, through my hoodie and into my arm. It's so cold and unpleasant. Why me? Nothing to say, I'm just soaked. That's all I can say. Lovely. And the spray from that van in front of me is killing me. Like, seriously, it covers up the visor in a few seconds. I can't see fuck all. Oh, I'm getting the cold now. I feel the cold right now. Horrible. Absolutely horrible. Now I just want a good movie, my bed, food, a cup of tea, and a 2-liter bottle of Fanta. That's my cup of tea there. That's really grippy part of the road here. Yay, puddles, puddles. just tap on the back brakes and that's it. She goes. It stops now, like seriously, it's so annoying. But I'm basically where I need to be. Fucking stops really. Rolling, rolling, rolling down the river. Couldn't even get it into neutral. I'm that unconcentrated. Oh fuck. See? All the water went to the ball sack. Literally. All the water got channeled to the ball sack. How smart is that? That's smarty dude. Well, at least maybe the back, yeah, the front got washed a bit. I'm so soaking.